If you rape and kill, you have sinned against people, and you have to straighten that out with them. But if you sin against God, God can forgive you because He loves you, right? He is merciful and forgiving. If I step on your shoe right now, I've transgressed you.
Yeah.
Can you forgive me?
Yes.
So you are more forgiving than God?
No. God is more forgiving.
Then God can forgive you. If you go to court here in New York, let's say you killed people, right? And the judge says, you know what? I'm going to let you walk.
Yeah.
And you know how? I'm going to kill my own son. My perfect son who's never done anything wrong. I want you to kill him, and now you're free to go. Is that justice? Is that justice? Is that justice?
Him letting
Answer
me go?
my question.
No, it is not justice.
It is not justice. It is not justice.
If you came and killed a bunch of people,
right?
that man that did the murdering needs to pay for it. Needs to pay for it.
You need to pay for it.
I cannot pay
because you did it.
Sin. I cannot pay for eternal sin because God only.
So killing an innocent person is justice?
God came.
Come on. Come on. You know that's wrong. You know that's wrong. You know in your heart that's wrong. You said it that's not justice.
Let's say you did something wrong to me. I could just forgive you. I don't need to kill my son to forgive you and pay a price. What's the difference between God? Like, why does God have to his son, who's also himself?
Because He loved the world. How is that love?